Really? You gonna play that game now? You gotta do a few good ones for me. Okay. I mean, that wasn't horrible, but... and it's zoomed... Oh, shit. My bad, it's a little too zoomed in. I mean, far away does work for this, because then you get the cool ones like that, where it's like... It'd be an interesting day to get pulled over by a police officer and they'll be like, "What you doing out here?" Officer, I'm taking lightning pictures or videos. Turn them into pictures. Something along those lines. Oh, there's something going up that way. Oh my god. So beyond blurry. Fire captain going out somewhere out that way. I think it was fire. Our rain's starting to pick up though. That kind of sucks. Oh, beautiful! Oh, another beautiful one. Now you wooing us. Get it. Get it, Mr. Storm. Get it, get it, get it. I know, I need some help. This is the kind of stuff I like, though. I love the streak lightning. Suck at getting the pictures for the streak lightning, but love the streak lightning. Because they're so cool. Now, the only bad thing is if it starts pouring on rain, I'm going to close my window up again. That wind's picking up, too. Shit. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that wind. That wind is a windin'. I have to roll up the window here in a minute. Oh, that was beautiful. What was everything? One over there. I don't know what was going on there. Oh, now we gotta do this again. So it straightens out. Straight up, like. Ooh. Just got flash. Ooh. We might have to roll up the window. Ooh! Pretty! Love it. Ooh! Dang! Okay, I did say I like the streak lightning. Yeah, not disappointing. Definitely not. Oh, that was kind of itsy bitsy. Itsy bitsy ones are pretty though too. I've always loved the ones that go like across the sky, like this way, not down. Because for me, if it's going down, that means it's hitting something. If it's going across the sky, those are really cool looking. Doesn't happen too often though. Like I said, I think all the years that I've been taking lightning pictures, I don't want to say it's that one time, I think, is the only time I've seen one that's like super cool like that. Nice. Very good. Okay, just the whole sky lightning. Okay, understand that. Gotcha. Nice one. Stop ready though. Good. Oh, wrong window. Roll it back down. Okay, hold on. Let's pause and redo.